Now get to the rail. Settle down. Get to the rail. Look. Diagonal.
Oh.
Look up. Stick. Good, rail. Now look at your roll top. You're okay. Look at your roll top. Good. Look at your quarter jump. Look straight. Now look left. Now, whoa, 2 hands.
Oh.
I just don't think she's strong enough yet. That's all right. I think he gave you a little buck.